Hello everyone. In this conversation, you learned how to talk about food, parties, and helping in the kitchen using simple English. Practice these lines with your friends or in front of a mirror. Listen carefully.
Hi, what are you doing here in the kitchen?
Hey, I'm helping Mom decorate the cupcakes. There are so many to decorate.
That looks like fun. Can I help you too?
Of course, we can put sprinkles and cream on top.
Hi everyone, I smelled something yummy from the living room.
You're always looking for food.
I came to eat, just kidding, but it really smells good here.
We are making cupcakes and a big cake too.
Look at this big cake on the table. I made it all by myself.
Wow, that cake looks amazing. Is it chocolate?
No, it's a vanilla with strawberry on top.
And we're adding chocolate chips too.
Yummy, can I have a big piece now, please?
Only if you help us clean the table later.
Okay, deal, but only after I eat.
Let's eat first and clean later, okay?
Sounds like a great plan.
Yes, let's party now and clean after.
Don't forget to sing happy birthday first.
Yes, let's get everyone together.
I'll bring the candles.
I'll bring the plates and forks.
And I'll bring my big smile and big stomach. Haha, let's
Let's
celebrate
celebrate
and
and
eat
eat
cake.
cake.
If you enjoyed this fun kitchen conversation and learned something new today, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more easy English conversations. Learn English every day with us. It's fun and simple.